Welcome back to our channel How to Guide.
In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can do eye tracking in iOS 18. So guys, iOS 18 has introduced eye tracking in your iPhone. So what eye tracking is that with eye tracking, you can just open your apps and use your phone through your eyes. You can just look at a certain app and you can just open it through eye tracking. So guys, it's a very interesting and innovative setting. So if you just want to try eye tracking, then all you need to do is just swipe below like this, and now you're in your control center. Just go ahead and long press any of the buttons. You can see this eye tracking option right here, this one. And once you tap there, it will show you to follow the dot with your eyes as it moves around the screen. So just follow them with your eyes. Just look at the dot, follow them with your eyes. This is a training to show you how you can move your eyes and let the iOS device get used to your eyes and the motion of your eyes so they can track where you're looking. So now just go ahead and open apps with your eyes. So as you can see, I've turned on the airplane mode and turned it off with eye tracking. So guys, if you want to turn off eye tracking again, just go ahead and look at eye tracking right here and turn it off. Tap on OK. And guys, you have turned off eye tracking. So guys, that's how you do eye tracking in iOS 18 in your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.